Well, we're heading to a nature reserve in Southfield. It's pretty hard to find because, as you see on Google Maps, there's no park shown there, but there is one. As we discovered when we looked on Strava, you can see all the green parkland marked. And there's even a nice hike, which let's go on a hike and see what we can see. Oh. And here comes our videographer for most of these videos about the Rouge. Thank you very much, Michal Ram. Well, there is some signage about wildlife in this park. Really, there is. But it's not exactly the signage you might expect. Leave the mating to the non-human species. And that's it for our visit to the Rouge today. We've gone from Zug Island to a walk in nature. Quite a range.